Hey there, welcome to the channel. I'm Miranda, your financial big sister you actually want to take advice from. Look, money can be confusing, intimidating, or like everyone else has the secret handbook. Spoiler alert, they don't. They're just pretending. I break down all the stuff no one explains. Banking, investing, credit, savings, all of it, in a way that makes sense, without the jargon, without the judgment, and definitely without making you feel like you should have already known it. Think of me as the big sister that'll tell you the truth about how money actually works and help you build confidence with it step by step. Because once you understand it, you're unstoppable. So if you're ready to learn, grow, and take control of your financial world with someone cheering you on, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, get comfortable, and let's get wise about money together.